So again, good morning to all. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of pointer. Okay. So let me start with the basics of pointer. Then we will go in a depth. Okay. So first of all, what is pointer? So a pointer is a special type of variable. So you can write down the definition. A pointer is a special type of variable which can store the address of another variable. Okay. So probably it is happening first time. We are going to store the address and we will see what is the benefit of storing this. But I have to indicate to the compiler that please take a memory and store address of another variable. Okay. So a pointer is a special type of variable. So we have to write special type of variable which can store the address of another variable. Are you following this one? A pointer is a special type of variable which can store the address of another variable. Okay. In order to indicate a pointer, we have to put a star. We have to put a star. So let me design the program and I will show you step by step. Okay. So that is void main. So I have taken a simple variable named as a, and I have taken a pointer variable named as p. And in order to specify that it is a special variable because it is a pointer variable and it has an ability that it can store address, I have put star. Well, this one. So you have to keep in mind while declaring a pointer variable, you have to put star. Okay. Then let's say a equals to 20. So value of a equals to 20. Then what is happening inside RAM? Let's say it is a RAM. And inside RAM, what is happening? I have taken a variable a. So compiler has taken a variable a and value is 20. And let's say address of this variable was 100. Are you following this? So you have to keep in mind every variable inside RAM has an address. So address of a was 100. Okay. In the next line, what I am instructing to the compiler that please, that is address of. The meaning is address of. So I am requesting to the compiler, please pick the address of a. What is the address of a? Address of a is 100. Are you following this? Address of a is 100 and value of a is 20. So I am not dealing with value, I am dealing with address. So I am requesting compiler that put a address of a inside p. So compiler has declared a block p and copied 100 here. And this p has own address. Let's say 119. Are you following this? This p has own address. Okay. So from memory point of view, I have a two block. First one is a. The second one is p. But the content of p is the address of a. Are you following this? Content of p is the address of a. If I will print f percentile d and a. The moment I will print a, it will print what? It will print 20. Why it will print 20? Because we are dealing with a value and a is a normal variable. So it will print 20. The moment I will call printf percentile d, print address of a. So I am printing address of a. The moment I will print a, it will print 20. The moment I am saying print address of a, so it can print address, let's say 100. If I am writing print f percentile d and p, print p, so address is also an integer. Following this one, addresses are also integer. That's why we are putting percentile d. So please print p. So what is p? P is 100. So value of p is 100. Are you following this one? Value of p is 100. If I will write print f percentile d and address of p. What is address of p? Address of p is 119. Okay, address of p is 119. So what is the address of p? Address of p is 119 what is the content of P is 100, but the content of P is same as address of A. That's why in these two cases I am getting the same answer. Okay. Now I have a question. Can I print the value of A with the help of P? Yeah, we have a method. If I will write print F percentile D and that is the sign star. Star means value add. Okay, star means value add. So I have print star P. So it becomes value add P. What is P? 100. So what is value at 100? Value at 100 is 20. So it will print 20. Are you following this? So let me explain again. A pointer is a special type of variable which can store the address of another variable. Okay, and if you want to run this program, this value will same, but addresses can be changed because according to your operating system, the address value can be changed. So what is going to happen? So in this way, we are saying that we are instructing to the compiler that A is a normal variable, so treat is normal. P is a pointer variable, so have a special treatment for P because it can store the address. So what is going to happen? We have assigned the address and like P equals 100, 1000. That is not legal because in RAM that is not legal. In RAM it might be possible 100 address is used for another process and you are not authorized to enter in another process. That's why it is a good practice in C. Don't try to process illegal access. So you have created A, so you have a right to access A. That's why I am assigning the address of A to P. I am following this. Okay, because I have taken A and I have a full right to change the content of A as well as to process the content of A. That's why I have assigned the address of A to P so that I have a complete right on P as well as I have complete right on A. And what is going to happen? I have print A, so it will print 20. I have print address of A, it will print address of B, address of A, and address of A and P has the same content. So what is going to happen? So these two have the same answer. And if you have an address in C language, if you will put star in front of that address, you will get a value of at particular address. So what is the value of P? The value of P was 100. So if I am putting star, so treat P as a value, it means 100 and give me the value at 100. So what is the value of 100? Value of 100 is 20. Are you following this one? So it is the first lecture of pointer in which we have seen that a pointer is a special type of variable which can store the address of another variable. Are you following this one? So it is quite easy. So in the next lecture we will see call by reference and call by value. It means we are going to merge two concepts, function and pointer. Thanks to all.